The Imam says, if you want to test your friend, do one thing, but be very careful in how you do it. Anger your friend. Yes, anger him. Tick him off, get on his nerves. But of course, in an appropriate way. Don't do it in a negative way. And I don't want anyone tonight, after the majlis, going and creating fitna in society, saying, oh, the Sayyid said anger everyone around you and your friends and test them. No, be wise about it. Look, friendship is very important. You want to know who your friend is. The Imam says one way, test him. Make him angry, tick him off, upset him somehow, and see his reaction. Observe his reaction. How he reacts will tell you what kind of a friend he is. Whether this is a good friend or a bad friend. If this friend, يَخْرُجُ مِنَ الْحَقِّ إِلَى الْبَاطِلِ, as the Imam says, if his ghadab, if his anger causes him, to lose his faith or to abandon the truth and embrace falsehood, to commit a mistake, that means this may be not such a good friend. Because friendship involves sometimes quarreling with another. He will anger you, you will anger him. This is part of life. The Imam says, if you anger your friend 3 times and he does not say anything negative about you, you realize that he did not say anything negative, realize this is a good friend.